Turmeric deserves its reputation, and I'm going to explain why the science here is actually quite strong. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, is genuinely one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory and immune-modulating substances. We're talking about a compound that inhibits NF-kappa B, a protein complex that drives inflammation at the cellular level. This isn't superficial. This is fundamental biochemistry. The research on curcumin shows it reduces pro-inflammatory cytokines and enhances antibody responses. There's demonstrated antiviral activity against various viruses, including influenza. Studies indicate it reduces the severity of respiratory infections and supports overall immune function. But here's where it gets interesting and where most people go wrong. Bioavailability is the critical challenge. Curcumin is poorly absorbed when consumed alone. Your body struggles to get it from your digestive tract into your bloodstream and tissues where it needs to work. This is where the implementation advice becomes crucial. You must consume turmeric with black pepper. The piperine in black pepper increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. That's not a typo, 2,000%. You also need healthy fats because curcumin is fat-soluble. Without fat, it's not getting absorbed effectively. So when we talk about consuming 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground turmeric daily, we're talking about it always paired with black pepper and a fat source. Golden milk, that traditional preparation of warming plant milk with turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, ginger, and honey, this is actually brilliant formulation. You've got the fat from the milk, the piperine from pepper, and complementary anti-inflammatory compounds from ginger and cinnamon. Adding turmeric to scrambled eggs cooked in olive oil, that works. Rice dishes with turmeric, olive oil, and black pepper, effective. The immune paste recommendation, mixing turmeric powder with black pepper, coconut oil, and honey, storing it in a jar and taking 1 teaspoon daily or stirring into warm water. This is practical and properly formulated. Fresh turmeric root, similar to ginger, is more potent than dried powder. If you can find it, grating fresh turmeric into dishes or juicing it provides higher levels of active compounds. Just be warned, turmeric stains everything. Use glass containers, clean immediately, and don't be surprised if your cutting board turns permanently yellow. For therapeutic doses during acute illness, curcumin supplements providing 500 to 2,000 milligrams with piperine may be beneficial. The concentration in supplements allows you to reach levels difficult to achieve through food alone. This is where turmeric supplementation has legitimate application beyond culinary use. The synergistic effects matter too. Turmeric works particularly well with ginger, omega-3 fatty acids, and quercetin for comprehensive anti-inflammatory effects. We're seeing inflammatory processes at multiple levels being addressed simultaneously. The evidence for turmeric's anti-inflammatory and immune-modulating effects is substantial enough that incorporating it daily, properly prepared with black pepper and fat, represents sound nutritional strategy. This isn't hype. This is biochemistry supported by clinical research. The key is doing it right, because turmeric without these cofactors is largely wasted potential.